Mark Golding explains that his British citizenship was arranged by his father when he was a child, and it has always been just a convenient travel document and nothing more. He did not actively seek this British citizenship. His father did that when he was a child and before he died. Big up Surgeon Golding for looking out for his youth before him pass away. Many parents need to do the same thing. Set your kids up for success, so anything happen to you, you know so them can stand on them 2 feet, and you did already put in place measures to make sure say yo them all right.
I never applied for British citizenship, I've never signed any application form for it. I got a passport when I was a little child. My dad arranged that, and over the years I've continued to have it, but I don't use it now. And for me, it was a travel document that was convenient. I'm quite willing to give it up because I haven't been using it, as I've said, for many years now.
This is where Mark Golding fully exposed Andrew Holness' hypocritical ways. Mark Golding said Andrew